What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video at Southern Motor Company. I'm Chad in sales, and I'm going to be showing you this really sweet 2014 Mini Cooper. Stay with us. All right, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Southern Motor Company. So yes, hope you had fun with us on the beginning of that video, just trying out some different stuff so everybody has a good time while watching our car reviews here today at Southern Motor Company. Now this is, you got it, the 2014 Mini Cooper. We're gonna start walking around it, checking it out a little bit, showing you the condition of it, because that's definitely what it's all about at the end of the day. You want to see what type of shape this vehicle's in, because the price on it is absolutely incredible at just around $99.90. Okay, so I mean, good price, great mileage, and once again, super clean. I mean, this would be definitely the perfect car for your son, your daughter, yourself to zip around Charleston in this summer. It's easy to drive, it's automatic, it's easy to park, all that kind of stuff. Loving the silver paint, looks really good. Headlights are in great shape. So there you go, right? Keep moving through. You wonder, do I need to put tires on it anytime soon after I buy it? Absolutely not. This one's got Pirelli tires, 205 55s with a 16-inch mini alloy wheel. And as you can see there, plenty of tread on the tires. So that's looking really nice. So tires are good all the way around. Keep moving through. I'm loving the color combination of the silver and black on the mirrors. Right up through here, the roof is black. You also got the tinted windows all the way around. I mean, wow, it looks good. Now you might think to yourself, you know, it's a mini, right? The word mini, M-I-N-I, means small. It is a small vehicle. But when you get inside of it, it actually feels bigger than what you're seeing on the outside. And I'll show you that in just a minute here. I am 6'1", 215 on the weight, and I got plenty of room to sit in here and be comfortable while driving down the road. Also, in the back, pretty decent amount of room in the rear. Here's the thing, you're heading off to the grocery store, Whole Foods, wherever it may be. You got room to throw some of your groceries in the back. If you need more space, just drop the back seats down, your 60-40 back seat split. You can get some ferns in there if you want to buy some of those. It's that time of year right now, flowers, potting soil, whatever. Drop the seats down, get all your stuff in, head back to the house, and enjoy a beautiful weekend out there in the yard, planting flowers, watering the grass, and all that. I get it. That's what us folks do down here in the low country. Let's keep moving through. Open her up. Does have the power windows, the power door locks. This one's got the black interior, which looks really nice. There you go. This one does not have a sunroof, but very clean up top. Look at the floor mats. I'm loving the way they're set up and designed. I mean, the pattern looks good. Just a clean car. It truly is. I love the inside of these Mini Coopers too. You know, I mean, the circles, I like it. It's just different, right? And that's what it's all about. Another thing, we got 2 keys to the car. There you go. Look at that. 2 of them. Very nice. You know, a lot of car dealerships sometimes only have 1 key to a used car. We got 2. I'm thinking it's a manual. I'm pulling my seat up, putting my foot there for a clutch, right? Because it kind of looks that way, but it's not. It's an automatic with, you got it, the sequential sport shift manual there, right? So you can shift gears in automatic mode. All right, so where does the key go into the car to crank it? You know, well, let me tell you, as long as this key's in your hand, all you got to do is hit this red button down here and crank her up. Just push it up. It's just that simple. All right, guys, stay with me real quick. Let me strap my seatbelt on and let's do a little zip down the road. And as you'll see, headroom, legroom is just fine, okay? I mean, this is a lot of space right here. I'm 6'1", legroom's great, plenty of leg room to relax my legs. I mean, I'm comfortable. I like it. It's fun. It even has some back seats back there to get the kids in. Put your girlfriend, wife, or whoever right over here. I mean, you got all the space you need just to zip around town in. All right, seatbelts on. Always check your surroundings to see what we got going on. The mirrors look good on both sides. Very nice. Southern Motor Company, here we go. Just drop her down and drive. Okay, if you want to do sport shift, right over here. Upshift is the plus sign, downshift is the negative. That's for downshifting and upshifting, of course. But today we're just going to be in regular drive. You do have sport mode, right? Things like that right through here. You do have your USB, auxiliary, 12 volt there, traction control off. That auto start stop feature that makes the engine shut off at stoplights and stop signs is right here. You can cut that off if you don't want it on. You have your AM FM radio. There you have it. You're wondering, is there a CD player? Absolutely not. Don't stress about it. You got a smartphone, you're good to go. Mileage on this particular Mini Cooper right here, 72,189. You can't beat it. I mean, come on guys, 14 with 72K for $99.90. That's a heck of a deal. All right, let's take her for a quick spin. You know, we keep a really nice selection of pre-owned cars here at Southern Motor Company. As you can see here today, the lot is packed full of beautiful inventory. You know, whether it's a Toyota Prius hybrid, maybe you're looking for a Tesla, a Suburban, a Yukon, a Mini, whatever it is, Southern Motor Company keeps it. We always strive to have the best inventory on ground for our customers here in the Low Country. So, you know, there's standards that we go by with every used car, and if they don't meet the standards, then they go off and get sold to the auctions and things like that. So again, we're in the business of selling cars, but at the same time, we're in the business of selling quality pre-owned cars. We want our customers to have the best of the best, but still at the same time, be in an affordable price range, so they're happy on that side of the world as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and give her a little run down the road. I'm gonna turn the AC down for quite a moment here so you can hear the engine. I'll roll my window down and let's see how she does. Acceleration so far is good. I'm liking it. What a beautiful day it is. We got a little rain on the way, but that's okay. You know, I'll tell you, we have definitely been needing some rain here in the Charleston area. Haven't had it in a couple weeks. I mean, the ground, everything is just so dry. I mean, that little booger goes. Very nice. Acceleration is good. You know, I can't say it's an SS Camaro with 400 horsepower, but what I can say is it's a Mini Cooper and it's fun to drive. There's something about driving a small car fast. It just has a feel about it that makes you want to smile, laugh, and have a little fun. And that's what it's all about with this little Mini Cooper here today at Southern Motor Company. Wow, what a nice little ride. Now, here's what I can tell you, folks. If you're in the market for a car like this and you're thinking to yourself right now, wow, Chad, I like what you're showing me, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Make a comment on YouTube or Facebook, send me a message and say, Chad, I saw the car online, I'm interested. What do I need to do to come in and see it? I'll tell you, come on down. Let's take it for a test drive, right? If you need help with financing, not a problem. We have the finance companies to get the job done. Do take into consideration, some cash down is definitely gonna always help, whether you got good, bad, or no, or little credit. Do pay attention to that and put a little bit of cash down on the car. That also will help your payments get to where you want those at. So those are some things to think about. Here's another thing. If you live out of state, let's say you live up in North Carolina, Virginia, Tennessee, wherever you may be, and you say, I want that car, but I just can't get all the way down to Charleston. It's a 6-7 hour drive, whatever, right? That's why I make these videos for you. you're watching it, now you can make a decision, an informed buying decision, and say, all right, I'm buying it sight unseen, but in reality, Chad showed it to me, and I think it's a good choice for me and my family. You can wire the money in, you can mail us a check in the mail, however you want to get us the funds, a certified check, whatever, but you can send that money to us, and we will arrange for our transport driver to come pick the car up, put it on a flatbed, and bring it right to your doorstep. So once again, if you want to do that and have a car shipped to you, again, you will need to send the funds to the dealership first, okay? Once we receive the funds, we will arrange and go ahead and get it all set up to be sent to you with your paperwork. You sign it, you put it back in the envelope I provide, put it back in the mail, done, okay? So all this stuff is really easy nowadays in 2021. We're here to help you. All these car lots coming up and popping up all over the country saying, hey, we deliver cars, you know, all that kind of stuff, right? Sight unseen, this, that, and the other. Well, we do the same exact thing right here at the store. This is a car dealership. This is a lot with cars, and yes, we ship them. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Like, comment, subscribe, follow, and we'll see you on the next video. And always, give us a call, 277-2983, southernmotorscosc.com.